In a lush jungle filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, there lived a parrot named Pip. Pip was small, but he had a big dream. He wanted to find the legendary jungle treasure that his grandpa always talked about. One sunny morning, Pip decided it was time. Today's the day, he chirped, flapping his wings with excitement. Pip flew to his friend, Tilly the Tortoise, who was munching on some leaves. "Tilly, do you know where the treasure might be?" Pip asked. Tilly smiled slowly and said, "Follow the tallest tree, and look for the golden rock." With a flutter of wings, Pip zoomed off, soaring high until he found the tallest tree. He perched on a branch, searching the ground, and finally spotted a golden rock glinting in the sun. When he landed beside the rock, Pip noticed an X marked on the ground. Heart pounding, he dug around the spot with his beak and claws. Suddenly, he uncovered a small wooden chest. Inside was a beautiful feather in a tiny mirror. At first, Pip was confused. But as he looked into the mirror, he saw his reflection shining with pride and courage. He realized the treasure wasn't gold or gems. It was the bravery he had shown in chasing his dreams. Pip flew back to Tilly, feeling proud and grateful. That day, Pip learned that sometimes the greatest treasure is the courage to go on an adventure.